Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos. Standard 10th, video number 39, Arithmetic Progression, Section B, Tough. Let's start. A manufacturer of laptop produced 6,000 units in the third year and 7,000 units in the seventh year. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, find the production in the fifth year. Means what? See this, 0 to 7 years, okay. In the third year he produced what? 6,000 units. In the seventh year he produced what? 7,000 units. Now in the middle you have to find out. And what's given? Uniformly by fixed number, means it's an AP, arithmetic, because it's increasing by same number everywhere. So CD, common difference is equal. We have to find T5 basically, right? Okay. So Tn equals to what? A plus n minus 1 into D. So T3 equals to A plus n means 3 minus 1 into D. Here our target is to find A and D now. That's the only motto. So 6,000 equals to A plus 2D. Okay. Equation number 1. Similarly T7, A plus 7 minus 1 into D. Therefore 7,000 equals to A plus 6D. Equation number 2. Now we have got two equations, two variables. You can find out 1 minus 2. So 6 minus 7 is minus 1,000. And then A gone and remains is minus 4D. Therefore D equals to 250. So input it in 1. So you get 6,000 equals to A plus 2 into 250. That is 500. Therefore A equals to 6,000 minus 500 equals to 5,500. Now we have found out both A and D. Now it's simple. So T5 equals to 5,500 plus 5 minus 1 into 250. Right? Because D is 250, A is 5500. So just solve it. 5500 plus 4 into 250, that is 1000. So it becomes 6500. So he produces in the fifth year 6500 units. Next, Deepak repays his total loan of 118,000 by paying every month starting. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.